Paddy from the UBC. I've got the new Glock17 Gen5 Pellet pistol. So what I'm going to do now is go and load the magazine with the CO2, and I'm going to be trying some domed field target H&M pellets. Okay then, let's crack on. So just tighten it just a little bit. You hear the hiss, and then just a few more turns, and then that's it. Close the cap, and now to fill the pellets. As you can see, you've got a little cover here. You press that in, and then you got your little holes there. You put one pellet in, and then completely turn it all the way around until you fitted the whole 21. Make sure that you push him in as far as you can, like so, and then just use your finger to pull. Now it does take a little bit of time, however, the joys of having a 21 round magazine. What I'm going to do is put it on a little bit fast forward, so then you'll be able to see the next part of the video. So there you have it. It took me about some 3 minutes of the video now, so a little intro. Probably about, say, 2.5 minutes to fill the whole magazine. So scheme of things, not too bad. Little tip is, if you're watching TV or whatever, yeah, beforehand, just fill up a magazine, put it away, so when you do have time to go shooting, yeah, you're ready and good to go. Alright then, so I'm going to pause the video now, and I'm going to set it up the target area. Be back shortly. Set up the target, which is the UBC Speed Challenge. I'm not going to actually use the Glock17 within the competition. I'm just using the target because it's a good gauge with the big circle, where I'm going to aim straight into the middle of it, and then gauge where my point of aim to a point of impact will be. The range is set out at 6 yards, which is mainly the distance what we use, and it's a good foundation for most CO2 pistols, and then you can just bring it back further. So yeah, right then, on to the shooting, and it'll be the first shots I've done with the Glock17. So I'm at the firing point now, so I'm going to use 5 shots into the target, which I've just shown, and to see what the grouping's like, and just have a quick feel, see what the trigger's like as well. Safety glasses, Glock, magazine, trigger a little bit heavy, but not too bad, to be honest with you. Blow back was sharp. The trigger is heavy, and you've got to understand that, because it's actually moving the belt round as well for the next shot. Quick looking at the target, not bad grouping. Let's go and have a look. So if you have a look, 1 second, there you go. That was my first shot, that was my second, third, fourth and fifth. So all in all, first 5 shots, yeah, not too bad, quite happy with it. Let's do some more. as you can see, there's no shot hold open, so you either A, got to count the shots like really what you should do, which is 21, or you just hear for the last shot come out with just the air, you could actually hear it. So yeah, right, let's have another look to see what the actual target looks like now. So as you can see, quite peppered. The lowest one is there, and one there into the Air Targets logo here, which where you could actually buy these targets. So have a look for that as well. So first magazine through, yeah, I'm quite happy with it. The more you get used to it, the more the groups will come in. The like I said, the trigger is a little bit heavy, but not overly heavy. The actual trigger safety is nice and clean, so you can actually get that in, and then you take up the stage of the trigger and then fire off the first shot. The next magazines that I'm going to start doing will be more rapid fire, just see how quick I can get and see how I can control it. And then obviously I'll start grouping in, bedding in the magazine, bedding in the barrel, because it's lead. So at this present time, yeah, I'm quite happy with it. So nice one, happy days, thank you.